third finger, 3rd fret, C. Second finger, 4th string, 2nd fret, E. 3rd string, open, G. 1st finger, 2nd string, C, 1st fret. E open, 1st string. 3rd finger, 3rd fret, G. And now 4th finger, 8th fret, C. Descending, C, 8th fret, 1st string. 3rd finger, G, 1st string, 3rd fret. E open, 1st string. 1st finger, 2nd string, 1st fret, C. 3rd string, open, G. 2nd finger, 4th string, 2nd fret, E. And 5th string, 3rd finger, C. C, 8th fret, 1st string. 3rd finger, G, 1st string, 3rd fret. E open, 1st string. 1st finger, 2nd string, 1st fret, C. 3rd string, open, G. 2nd finger, 4th string, 2nd fret, E. And 5th string, 3rd finger, C. C on the 4th finger, 8th fret, 6th string. The 3rd finger on the 5th string, 7th fret, E. The G on the 5th fret, 1st finger, 4th string. Then we're just going to move our finger right down to the 5th fret, C. Again, this should look familiar because this is the 5th position, C. We played this arpeggio before. 1st finger on the 2nd string, 5th fret. Then G with the 4th finger on the 2nd string, 8th fret. And the C, which is the final note, on the 1st string, 8th fret. C, G on the 2nd string, 8th fret. E on the 1st finger, 5th fret, 2nd string. And then C, which is the 1st finger on the 3rd string, 5th fret. G, which is the 1st finger on the 4th string, 5th fret. And then E on the 3rd finger, 7th fret, 5th string. And C with the 4th finger on the 6th string, 8th fret.